It is 6:15 a.m. My day always starts about 6 o'clock is when my alarm goes off, before anyone in the house wakes up, except this guy right here. And I come out in the kitchen and I make myself, first things first is I make myself and I make Paul coffee. And then I pack the kids' lunches, get their water bottles ready for school and do all of that. I have about 30 minutes before I have to get Brooklyn up and get her ready for school. So let's not waste any more time. I need some coffee. Okay, I've got my coffee. I got Paul his coffee. Now I'm gonna make Brooklyn's lunch and then get her up. Seriously, nothing better than the first sip of coffee. Nothing in this world. I dare you to tell me something that's better than the first sip of coffee. So I just got Brooklyn off to school. I have about an hour and 30 minutes until I have to leave to take Kate to school. So I totally maximize this time. This is when I get my workout in. I always hop on my bike for about 20 to 30 minutes and I do like a high intensity interval training workout on the bike just so I fully maximize that short amount of time that I have. And then if I'm not able to make it to a barre class or a strength training class like I am planning to do today, I'll do about 10 or 15 minutes of strength training right after I hop off my bike with just some weights that I have at home.
Now it's time to get dressed. I want to thank Yoga Club for partnering with me on this video. I have partnered with Yoga Club in the past. I am signed up for their quarterly subscription service. So each quarter I get a box curated specifically for me with my sizes and my style preferences of an athleisure wear outfit. So I get a pair of bottoms, I get a top, and sometimes I get a sports bra. In this box, I actually received 2 tops. If you're not familiar with Yoga Club, it's a monthly or quarterly subscription service where you get premium quality athleisure wear brands at prices up to 50% off retail. I absolutely love this service. It's always so fun and such a treat to get these boxes. So if you spend a lot of time in activewear, I highly recommend checking out Yoga Club because you get really, really cute pieces and different like premium brands that you might not have tried otherwise for a really, really great discount. And you can customize your subscription. You can get it once a month or you can get it once a quarter. So you basically just like submit your styles, your sizes, your preferences, and then a stylist will kind of curate a box for you. So every month is kind of like a surprise, but they do have a like satisfaction guarantee. So if you don't like a particular piece, you can send it back in exchange for a piece that you love. So I love the service. I've been getting it for over about a year now, at least a year, probably longer. And I love it. It's so exciting. Every time I get that email that my box has shipped, I'm like stalking my mailbox until it arrives. So I'm gonna hop on my bike, do a quick workout so we can get on with our day.
Okay, my quick 20-minute workout is done. I am so sweaty and I've got like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna show you what I make when I'm like really pinched for time. That's pretty satisfying and it's pretty well balanced. So I make a protein shake and I just put spinach, I put a scoop of whey protein powder, almond milk, and then half of a banana. And I like the Magic Bullet because it's quick and easy and there's not a lot of mess to clean up. And I also add a couple cubes of ice. also usually when I grab a snack that I'm gonna take with me, because usually when I leave the house, I am gone for a few hours and I don't wanna be caught without a healthy snack when I'm hungry. So I talked about these bars in my favorites video. They are the Think Thin plant-based vegan bars, and I really like them. So I'm gonna throw that in my bag along with an apple, and then I'm gonna get Kate off to school. So I just got Kate to school and I'm here at Barre. I'm about to do a class. If you're not familiar with Barre, it's kind of a mix between yoga and Pilates. I've never really been a big yoga or Pilates person, but I really enjoy Barre class because it's a really great, challenging workout that's really not hard on your joints. And as I've gotten older, I just can't do the type of exercises that I used to do, like lots of jumping or plyometrics, things like that, are harder on my knees. So I have found Barre to be a really great strength training and toning workout with all of that stress on the body. So I'm gonna go take a class and I wanna show you guys what it's all about. So I started doing Barre about 7 years ago. I used to do it pretty often before I had Brooklyn, and I've recently picked it up this last year because as I'm getting older, I'm noticing and feeling a lot of changes in my body, strain in my knees, and I wanted to find a workout that is very effective but without all the impact and stress on your body. Barre utilizes pretty much your own body weight in very small weights, but don't be fooled, it is an extremely effective workout. There is an intense burn that you feel as you are going through this class. I love it. I've been enjoying getting back into this workout. You can see that most of the exercises are your own body weight, but it's very small, like isometric moves that kind of force your body to really challenge itself to support its own body weight. You'll see here in a second when we're doing some work at the Barre. I also love the music. I love the coaching from the instructors. I'm going to play the audio here shortly so you can see what I'm talking about, but it's such a great mind-body connection workout class for me. I love it.
Down an inch, lift. Down and lift. Down an inch, up an inch. Think about that incline in your spine. And think about hugging your core in. Good. Down an inch. Lift one. That bar up. Down an inch. Up an inch. Good. Lower and lift. How are we doing? Now lift your heels off the ground. Lift. Now if 2 counts felt way better for your body, go right back to that 2 count, make it your own. If standing tall would feel amazing, you can go here anytime.
Okay, so this is what I picked up at Whole Foods. Of course, I got some wine. This is not all for tonight, but my friend and I will probably enjoy a bottle together. I got 3 pizzas. I got 2 for the kids, pepperoni cheese, and then I got this for Michelle and I. It's a Mediterranean, so it's filled with olives, feta cheese, spinach. It's just a little healthier than like a pepperoni pizza. And then I've got some tomatoes, avocado. I got salad mix. I have cucumber and bell pepper in the fridge, so I will probably make a really hearty salad with a lot of vegetables so that I can really fill up on this and then just enjoy like a slice of pizza. For the kids, I got snacks. I got popcorn. I've got chips and my favorite queso, which is, if you follow me on Instagram, you've heard me talk about this. It's the cashew queso. So this is a dairy-free queso. It doesn't have the same consistency of a queso, but it is delicious, you guys. I use this on grilled chicken to just give it some flavor. It's really good with chips. You have to keep it refrigerated, obviously, and then you heat it up. And I like to eat it with the Siete grain-free chips, and then I got some white corn tortilla chips for the kids. Sorry, Max wants me to feed him, so I need to get to that. And then I got some options for desserts for the kids. I got chocolate chip cookies that they can bake because I think it's just fun to bake cookies when you have a sleepover. And then for myself and my friend Michelle, I got these little ice creams. Now, these are coconut milk ice creams here, but now here's the thing, if I were trying to lose weight, like, and be really strict, I would cut stuff like this out. But I'm really just trying to make healthy habits, maintain my weight, maybe lose a couple of pounds over long term. So it's all about portion control. I enjoy sweet treats. So what I like about these is that they're very small. It's 100 calories per serving. And these are super tiny. They're really delicious. Obviously, if you eat a ton, they're not so good for you. But one little sandwich is 60 calories. So it's all about portion control. That's why I like to add a hearty salad to my pizza, so I don't eat 4 or 5 pieces of pizza. So I wanted to keep this video honest and real. I think that a lot of times this time of year, so many of us are like, I'm gonna get on this diet and I'm gonna cut this out and cut this out and I'm gonna restrict all of this. And you know, the truth is that's not really maintainable. And that's why so many people start these diets at the beginning of the year, and then 3 or 4 weeks into it, they give up and they, you know, go the complete opposite direction. And you can still make healthy choices and enjoy your life and enjoy the things that you always enjoy. So I wanted to show you guys that because it is a special night tonight and we have friends over. I'm not going to be super strict with my eating. I'm going to enjoy the things that our guests are enjoying. If it were Tuesday or Wednesday night, I would probably have simple grilled chicken with vegetables or fish, something really simple and clean. But it's Friday and I'm going to enjoy myself. So I'm gonna put these groceries away, I'm gonna get ready, and then I gotta go pick up the girls. Okay, so I am all showered and ready. I'm in a quick rush because I have to go get Kate, but I wanted to show you what I'm heating up for lunch. It's only been an hour and 40 minutes since I had that bar, but I am so hungry and I'm listening to my body. I'm not caring what the clock says. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat. Plus, I'm gonna be running errands for a couple of hours, so I know that I won't have time to eat like a healthy meal in the next several hours, and there's no way I'm gonna make it. So let me show you what I'm having. So if you follow me on Instagram, this is gonna look very familiar. I basically eat the same things all the time. I basically cook maybe 2 or 3 times a week, and I cook enough to have leftover. So this is carrots, sweet potatoes, and radishes that I cooked earlier in the week. I basically chop everything up, salt and pepper it, put a little olive oil, stick it in the oven at a high temperature. I usually do like 425 or 450 for about 30 minutes. Or 35 minutes. And then I have just grilled chicken breast. Maybe this is like 3 ounces, maybe 4 ounces. And I cook a lot of this. I fill this up and it just sits in my fridge and I eat it, you know, for 3 or 4 days. And then to dress it up, I am using the cashew queso that I told you guys about. This stuff is so good, you guys. I eat a lot of grilled chicken. And when you eat a lot of grilled chicken, you need to kind of like dress it up to keep it yummy. And so this tastes really good. I'll use salsa too. Sometimes I'll use Chick-fil-A dipping sauces, which I know probably aren't the healthiest, but again, I'm not trying to, you know, I'm not trying to be super restrictive. I'm just trying to make sensible choices. So this is what I'm gonna eat. Then I'm gonna go grab Kate and I'll see you guys in a bit. So do you ever have those days where you have so much on your to-do list and somehow you get it all done just like by the minute? It's been one of those days where I've just been racing around from one commitment errand to the next, but somehow I've been able to fit it all in. So feeling good about that. I'm about to go get Brooklyn off the bus stop. I have Kate inside. She's taking a nap. And then we are going to race to a dentist appointment that I have and then race back home and get ready for our friends to come over. So I wanted to update you guys. I've been running around all afternoon. So I did have a snack in the car. I had an apple, and about 10 or so almonds, just a small handful of almonds just to hold me over until dinner time. So I think I hear the bus, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we just got home from the dentist and I'm getting things prepared for our little friendly sleepover. Let me show you what we have. So I just got 3 pizzas for us and the kids. I got a Mediterranean pizza, cheese, and then a pepperoni pizza. But I had a little change in plans. Look at him. He wants what's up there. I ended up seeing my mom today and she had cooked chicken soup. So she gave me a big bowl of chicken soup. So I'm actually gonna have chicken vegetable soup and a glass of wine for dinner. Doesn't that look really good? So I'm gonna have that and I'm gonna have some wine and I am probably gonna have one of these.
So our friends are gonna be here shortly, so I'm gonna change, kind of unwind, and just enjoy the evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these types of videos and you want more like workout ideas or healthy meal ideas, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely plan to do more of them this year, but I wanted to just show you guys what a kind of normal day in my life looks like in terms of eating and workouts and kind of just how my life looks on a day-to-day basis. I want to thank Yoga Club for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!